Unraveling Idioms. Understanding, moon over. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that can be quite puzzling. Moon over. You might have heard it in songs, seen it in books, or come across it in conversation. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you. When someone says they are mooning over something or someone, it doesn't have anything to do with the moon in the sky. Instead, this phrase is used to describe the act of pining for or dwelling on someone or something in a dreamy, distracted manner. It's often associated with a sense of longing or affection that is not always practical or to be acted upon. The phrase, moon over, comes from the verb, to moon, which means to spend time idly or to yearn for something. The term, moon, has been used in this way since the 19th century, and it's thought to be derived from the idea of someone being so lost in their thoughts they might as well be on the moon. Let's put moon over into action. Here are a few examples. She spent the whole evening mooning over her high school yearbook. He's been mooning over the idea of buying that car for months, but he can't afford it. After the concert, the fans were mooning over the singer, replaying the songs in their heads. Remember, the phrase can have a negative connotation if it suggests that someone is so caught up in their dreams or affections that they're not paying attention to reality. If you're looking for different ways to express the same idea without saying, moon over, consider these synonyms. Yearn for, pine for, be infatuated with, daydream about, dwell on. Each of these captures the essence of moon over, but can convey slightly different nuances. So choose the one that fits your context the best. That's all for today's episode on the phrase, moon over. We hope this has cleared up any confusion and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and never stop mooning over your language goals.